Channel 4 network in the Middle East and North Africa, terrestrial tie-up with the CMC Corporation in the Caribbean. And apart from all this, we are also live on our website called cricketfreak.com. We have expert commentary alongside the likes of Sri Kapil Dev, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, Sir Clive Lloyd, and various other commentators who come in on board and who are part of this entire exciting venture. 1 lakh people who are accessing these live matches on an ongoing basis. This is spread across the entire globe with, of course, maximum population because it's an India launch coming from within India itself, Bombay, Delhi, the untracked cities, right? We currently show Bombay at being about 3,200 users, but the untracked cities that exist are almost at a 20 to 25,000 numbers, which is a fairly large number of cities in India itself, which we are not able to track or pinpoint to a specific location, but the traffic originates from India. Beyond the matches, we are not just a World Cup platform, we are not just a World Cup 2011 platform. This destination is for all the fans, which is why the necessary pun on the word freak. It stands for the freaks. We stand for all the fans of the sport who exist across the world, not just in a particular geography. We are a social media powered platform. We are not a portal. We don't intend to become a portal. We are a social media powered platform, as in we exist on a Facebook network. We exist on the mobile network, specifically in the smartphones and the apps that exist on the iPhones and the Android platform from Google. Cricket fans are not just fans, they're cricket freaks, and they always want more. So apart from having live commentary with the experts on our panel, there are various special chats that happen with these legendary icons, with them giving their perspective on the match, pre-match, post-match as well. There is an engagement that we have, which is to do with couple question of the day. This essentially is a contest that is run and is a discussion that is taken up. For example, the very last match or the very last question that Mr. Dev has put up onto the platform has got nothing to do with, who will win the match and who will lose the match and so on and so forth, the typical questions that exist. The question that has been asked is, why is it that when a third umpire referral or a repeat LBW referral comes in, why is it that the umpire sitting over there throws back that decision back to the ground umpire? Is it right? Is it wrong? And there is a series of engagement that is happening on the platform on an ongoing basis. So this, as you see, is more to do with the fans who are keen followers of the sport and who keenly understand and follow the sport on an ongoing basis. This is a gaming destination across Facebook and iPhone. I take pleasure in requesting Mr. Kapil Dev to launch our iPhone app, which is going to be launched or unveiled for the first time today. Sanma, can I have that? If the photographers are through, will you please, comment the others? Yeah. If you will, please let the bus, please.
कपिल जी लेफ्ट।
हाँ जी मैं आ रहा हूँ जी। वही लेके आ जाओ आपके पास।
सर इधर लेफ्ट। कपिल जी।
थैंक यू। This is how it plays. The match, whichever match you want to pick up, it if I want to pick up, let's say, Canada, Pakistan, play, you
Right.
start saying all that, what exactly this is. It's up to you to go into the net and start participating in that.
Thank you very much, sir. This was indeed a pleasure to have this app launched with you. We are, in addition to this entire gaming platform that we are running, we also have various awards and various prizes that we are giving to our contestants. These contests will happen between the quarterfinals to the finals of the World Cup. The total value that people will earn out as gifts from this entire network is approximately $1.5 million, or about 7.5 crores rupees, that end users can win as gifts from the platform itself. We are, in addition to this, launching a very unique initiative which is called Cricket for Peace. Cricket for Peace is an initiative which is going across with a partner company called MoneyGram. MoneyGram is essentially the official money transfer partner for the ICC World Cup, and we are the official platform, official channel for them for conducting this event, a unique event happening across the 3 countries, which is India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. We are going across 9 cities conducting this entire event called Cricket for Peace. More details of this we'll share with you as we come to that particular point later at some point in time or some date. We're launching a platform called Cricket Freak Loyalty Program, which is going to go across to all our partners, all the stakeholders who come in onto the platform and become game members with us, players with us, who are making a contribution, making an effort to grow this platform and reach out to the millions across the world. Cricket Freak, we're not just, as I said, just the World Cup. There is a peer-to-peer gameplay which is coming across, which is going to go and have various engagement with people playing against people, mobile gaming destination featuring various legendary cricketing icons who will come in on board as a part of the Cricket Freak initiative and take it to the world and be the expert proponents of this particular game across the globe. Promotion of cricket tourism. We will not limit ourselves to cricket alone. We will be going across to sports tourism and taking the entire tourism agenda for promoting the sport not just in India, that is not just inbound but also outbound, across various destinations and geographies. Exclusive cricketing merchandise and rollout of other properties such as Soccer Freak and Golf Freak across the web and the mobile space over the next 12 months. As I said, we are available across these platforms. This is a look at the website. This is our website, cricketfreak.com. This is the website which has live radio feeds which are running. This has a feed wherein you come in and play the entire game and the gifts and the awards that you will win. This is how the website appears when you go on to Facebook, when you log on to Facebook and you play this entire platform. As I said, we're not a portal. We don't have this on our website but on Facebook as a network itself. The gameplay that Mr. Dev just explained and just demonstrated to you what happens on the iPhone is exactly what happens on the entire Facebook initiative. Just some screenshots of you for the game, which was just demoed to you. Live internet radio will be heard on your phones and participated upon on the phones itself. And the contest that runs in on the platform on an ongoing basis. That brings me to the end of the small presentation that we had, and very open to and very happy to answer any questions and queries.